Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and to another Dear Pastor.
And thank you to somebody
in his New York shirt. You guys will be getting a lot of Dear Pastor these next few days, so brace yourself and enjoy the discussion. Alright, today's Dear Pastor, and if it's your first time to our channel, of course subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and comment down below and always give us your opinion on these topics. Okay, so today's topic is gonna be my wife stole my mom's money.
My wife stole my mom's money.
Yes. Dear Pastor, my mother has an account in Jamaica and added my name to her account. My wife knows where I kept the debit cards and also the PIN number. Without my knowledge, she went into the account and withdrew a substantial amount of money several times. When we discovered that the money was missing and I talked to her, she said that it is no big thing and she would put back the money. After my mother was here for a week, she asked me for the money and I told her that my wife would put it back. One day she asked my wife about the money and my wife cursed her disgracefully and told her that she does not like mother-in-law. She also said my mother is an old woman. So what is she doing with so much money? My mother got so vexed that her pressure went up very high. My mother told me that I should get my wife out of her house. My mother told my siblings what my wife did, and they told me that I have to find somewhere to put her because she cannot be in my mother's house and disrespect her. I asked my mother if she would accept an apology and she said no. I am thinking of divorcing my wife. Please give me your opinion. What do you suggest that I do with her? Shoot your guns, honey.
I just don't know what to say. That's right. You usually have a lot of things coming to me.
Usually you jump right at it. Hold
but
on.
This time,
memory going down. We don't have any memory. You guys, this time around babe have nothing to say straight up on this one. Normally babe would just jump at it right away, but this one is too hot for him. So let me go ahead. First and foremost, that woman is too bright. She's a thief. Why she take the woman money without her consent? Then she's going to go to the extreme of utter disrespect and say the woman is old. What she's doing with all that money? Where were you when the woman was working for her money?
She was making babies.
Exactly. You're bright, and that man need to put his wife into place. I'm not saying he should divorce her.
No, but he have some question why.
Lots of questions.
She took the money. Maybe she took the money because it was the easier way to get the money. I mean,
not once, not twice.
No, I mean, what if the account was only the husband name on it? Will it be the same? I probably think it will be the same. In terms of, okay, my husband have some money there. What if he was a brother? That would be exactly the same. I don't think he have anything to do with the fact that he's the mother. The mother
you think she's just a thief?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, man. As she said. Yeah, I think. No, I don't think he's the fact that he's the grandma or the
it's the mother-in-law.
The mother-in-law. I don't think he have anything to do with that, and she's mad at her. I just think she wanted money. She wanted a thief, and if it was the brother-in-law with the account, that would be exactly the same. So I won't accept it. If I was the husband, don't accept it.
I would be so mad if I was.
Oh yeah, the only thing is, okay, you're married and
divorce
is another level.
That situation.
Divorce is another level in terms of I am the one who always say when something's broken or work on it in terms of you get married for good reason, you don't divorce for like this. Now people divorce like this, but I disagree completely with that.
She sound like she take the money and is okay with taking
what she
the
did
money.
With the money.
Good question.
That's also something that you need to figure it out.
That's true.
If she took the money for casino, if she took the money, what she did with the money, obviously the daily money that she have, what that you have in terms of the wife and the husband have, is if it's not enough and she used it for supermarket things, I say okay.
No, I'm not saying okay.
No, I mean that's different. That if she used it for why she took it for.
She not supposed to take it in the first place.
No, but for which
I don't care what she used it for.
I mean, in the reaction of that's what she did is completely wrong. She's a thief. But in terms of what will you do in terms of she's saying like is thinking about divorce before to know like if bad is it. Bad or is low bad or
we would like to know what she used the money for.
What she used it for. If she used it
then
like
you'll probably think like okay.
getting gift for the kids, that different that if she using for personal purpose, if she using and put it to her own account, personal account.
If it's not to save your life, then I would have some serious thought.
Right. If she take the money
it's a medical reason,
a personal account for her, that's wrong. If she
is it to save her? If it's not to save her life, she's wrong on every other level.
If she used it, for example, to get gift for the kids, because that's different. But
no, that's not different, honey.
No,
that's
for
not
me it's different.
How is it different?
If she take the money and keep the money for her to put it in a personal account,
to keep it for her is wrong.
It's completely wrong.
To get gift for kids is wrong.
But
if it's to buy a new heart, then it's I'll give her a little.
No, because if he was to buy a new heart, she would have asked the husband.
No, probably the husband would say no.
Huh?
Probably the husband would say
then
no.
She divorced him. Then
she
will be the one to divorce him, not him.
To buy a gift for the kids and you say is okay?
Yeah, because sometimes, look, for example, you want to get gift for Thailand, I tell you, no baby, it's not a good moment or thing like this, you still want to get him and at the supermarket you get him, I'm not going to divorce you for that.
Yeah, but it's not going to mean to say me I got thief it. Me not thief it, you have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Right, so you pay for it, is you pay for it or it gets stay in the store. That's different.
Yeah, but I mean...
She thief.
She thief.
And if it's to buy a gift for the kids, she thief.
Yeah, but I mean, the reflection of the husband will be different. She thief, yes. But
no, I still the same thief. Like I say, if it's to save her life, if it's to buy a new kidney or a new liver or a new heart, then yes. Me we kind of give you a blind. Say
she's
yes, you take them. Yes, it's a still thief, but that's a different thief.
She's still thief.
That's a different kind of thief. Like I said, if it's to save her life and she didn't want to ask for it.
And that's what I say. If he wants to get
a gift, honey,
for the kid, it's different. Yes.
No, honey, that's a big.
Different.
That's a big thief. No,
it's a different kind of thief. That if she used it for herself.
No, you guys tell me down below which thief is a okay thief.
I don't say it's an okay thief.
No,
I just say if she used the money to buy gifts for the kids, for example, I don't think it's a situation that like worth a divorce.
No, I'm not saying about the divorce part. I'm saying which one is more.
It's thief.
I know, I get that. But
she used the money like to put it in her personal account. If she used the money for a personal reason, for herself,
to buy a gift for the kids,
not to buy a gift for the kids, but herself,
to buy a new kidney, a liver, and a new heart, then yes.
Then that's thief, and that's you can consider divorce because that's a point that you should also not cross. But if thief is thief, but for divorce you have different
the divorce is kind of rough. The divorce is kind of rough.
If she thief the money and give it to her like a friend or give it to a personal account or do thing like this, she crossed the line and maybe it's not the only time she did it, and that's something that you have to consider.
My point is, she shouldn't have taken the mother-in-law money.
No, at the end it's still like
And,
this, but he asking for advice for divorce.
I would want to know why she take my money, and I would want back my money. Probably I wouldn't even want to know why she take it.
No, I want to know.
I just need back my money, and she need to give back the mother-in-law her money. She bright about what the old woman doing with so much money. She feisty. You're bright. You want a slap. Anyway, you guys,
what will you do?
what would you have done if you were the husband? But I don't think divorce is
This one interesting.
I don't think divorce is the answer, but it's a very interesting topic. Comment down below and let us know what would you have done if you were the husband in this case. I really don't know what advice to give you on this one, because this one is really rough.
Find out the reason why first.
Okay.
For me, that's the key.
Once it's a heart, a liver, or a kidney she buy, then I'll accept the tea free. But if it's not, then she and I gonna have serious issues. Anyway, you guys, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, catch up and keep up with the fam. Make sure you guys subscribe and catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.